guys, so we're in the BMW G80 here. This car has free flow front pipes and it has our full exhaust system. Right now, these G80s have a bunch of different modes for the exhaust configurations. Right now, I've got the exhaust button not pressed, but this car has a Daler exhaust valve controller. The exhaust system, if you purchase it, will come with its own valve controller, so you don't need to buy this necessarily, but it's a nice feature that this test car happens to have equipped. So right now, the exhaust valves are opened, but the exhaust button is off. So get you some clips. Accepting the car sounds very good. It's also important to remember this car is so fast because it's currently tuned. But now this is very interesting. If I press the exhaust button, listen. You get a lot more bass in the car, so it is piping the active sound design into the cabin to give you a little bit more of an emotional experience. Perhaps not to people's liking too much, but the car still sounds really, really good. Get some pops and cracks. Second. Cracks are nuts. So now we're going to use the Daler controller here, close the exhaust valves, and I'm going to take it out of this active sound design thing, and you'll hear in here it's pretty docile. You can still enjoy the car with the valves closed. This car has intakes, so you get, which is fun. So there's a lot of great sound to be enjoyed with the Valvetronic system installed. You get great exhaust noise when the valves are open, and then when the valves are closed, you get to enjoy the engine, the intake noise as well. So it's a pretty dynamic experience. Right now, we're gonna go windows down a little bit. Hopefully the audio quality isn't ruined, but I'm gonna be accelerating in third, and I'm gonna open the exhaust. So you can hear it's a huge change from loud to quiet, which is nice. Of course, too, with the exhaust valves closed and the car in drive, the M1 setting is this is all comfort. The car is extremely docile in here with the valves closed. No frequencies that you would not expect. This car is on, I think, Nexen tires, or perhaps not the most quiet tire, but inside here it's very refined, and you don't get a bunch of boominess or drone from the exhaust, which is nice. I dial it into M2 and just mat it. The exhaust opens up with the Daler controller installed because the valves will operate under full throttle. They'll open. So it's a pretty good experience in here. This mid-pipe and the configuration of this exhaust, the rear section, was designed to give the driver the ultimate experience. No strange frequencies inside the cabin, so the car is very enjoyable on long trips, but having that dynamic experience to open the valves whenever you want, have it be super docile, but also have it be incredibly aggressive when you want to open up the valves, go to a car show, go to an event, rip down your favorite back road. This system gives you that experience. it.